What is going on YouTube? It's your boy DCH, D Captain Hawk, with my first ever YouTube video. Let's go! But first, quick shout out to 2K for designing those beautiful covers for this year edition of NBA 2K. Now I play on Xbox Next Gen myself, and I must say that in my opinion NBA 2K22 is definitely a big improvement over NBA 2K21. Now, without any further ado, let's get to the topic of today's video. Now, when it comes to 2K21, last year I couldn't play in the city at all. I was having connection issues after connection issues, waiting in the queue just to get disconnected the moment I entered the court. I contacted 2K support multiple times. They asked me to provide them with all them details about my console, to provide them with a clip, to provide them with the date and time the error code happened, and they could not help me. They couldn't help me at all. All they did was drop some scraps of VC, I quote, for a good conversation. Now, I spent $130 on this year NBA 75th anniversary edition, and it was the same story. I kept on getting connection error codes. Obviously, when you visit the website provided in the message, you'll see that the status for these servers, that they are all working. There's nothing wrong with them. So I was like, wait, I didn't spend $130 on a game that I can't play. So I started doing my own research online, and I found out that this error code is a well-known issue from 2K16, starting, yes, 5 years ago, starting 2K16. And I will tell you what you need to do to fix this code and to be able to enjoy the game like the rest of the world. Hello YouTube! Today I will tell you how to fix error code 56d85bb8 in NBA 2K22 on PC or any console. Now you need to know that this error code is a connection error on the forwarded ports on your router. To forward the game ports on the router, you'll have to start by assigning a static IP for your console. If you are a PlayStation user, you'll have to go to Configuration, then Network, then View Connection Status, and write down the IP address and MAC address. If you're an Xbox user, you'll have to go to Settings, then Network, then Advanced Settings and IP address, and write down the IP address and MAC address. Or you can simply do what I've done and take a picture with your phone camera, cause who owns a pen these days, right? Now the next step is the static IP configuration. Log into your router using a browser. When you log in, you'll have to go to the configuration and activate the option Enable Manual Assignment. This is where you'll have to put the IP and MAC address of the console and then select Add. Now go to the port forwarding section, which you can also find in the advanced settings. Now if you don't see this section like I haven't, that means your current router configuration does not allow port forwarding. So contact your internet provider and they will enable the port forwarding in your router. Now when you can go to the port forwarding section, it's time to finally add the range of ports you want to open. and just add the port numbers one by one. These are the ports for PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. These are the ports for Xbox One and Xbox Series X and S. These are the ports for Nintendo Switch. I know some of us play on Nintendo, right? And these are the PC ports, using Steam as an example. Now remember, when forwarding a port you'll have to put in the static IP of your console mentioned in the beginning of this video each time you are forwarding a port. Also, don't forget to fill in the exact TCP or UDP protocol in the type of service type option. Although this was my first ever YouTube video, I am a streamer myself. I stream occasionally on Twitch, but mostly on Trovo. Many of you never heard about Trovo, and let's just simply say it's a proper competition for Twitch with much bigger opportunities to grow for small streamers just like myself. So if you'd like, join our Trovo community. The link to my channel will be in the description. And if this video has helped you to solve your connection issues with NBA 2K22, please drop a like, that would mean the world to me. And if you can subscribe to my channel, I will try to upload weekly some different content videos, some gameplay, some tips videos, and occasionally a video like this. So if you can, once again, hit that like and subscribe. This was all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you all a great day.